Today I am going to calculate vapor pressure from the Antoine equation. Here is the problem statement. Compute the vapor pressure of water from 25 degree to 100 degree centigrade with a step size 25 degree centigrade using Antoine equation. Now here Antoine equation is given. Log base 10 P mmHg is equal to A minus B by C plus TC with Antoine coefficient A is equal to 8.07131, B 1730.63 and C 233.426. Now I'm going to write Python code, means already written in that here. So first A, B, C all are taking into the Python. Then for here I am putting one for loop. So T in 4 different temperature, and then I'm going to calculate P mmHg. So using that Antoine equation formula 10 to the power A minus B by C plus T. Then convert P kilopascal to P mmHg into that factor 0.133 Then print T and corresponding P saturation. Now if I run that code, I'll get all this value. So T is equal to 25 degree centigrade, that P saturated is 3.16 kilopascal, and T 50 degree T 50 degree P sat is equal to 12.31 kilopascal. T equal to 75 degree centigrade, P sat 38.46 kilopascal, and T 100 degree centigrade P sat is 101.04 kilopascal. As I am taking water, so at 100 degree centigrade the water will boil. Obviously that pressure must be 101.3 kilopascal or atmospheric pressure. That's it. Thank you.